one and all. Welcome to the show. Just give me to sort out the webcam then. How is everyone? I would like to make sure that everyone is in a good mood and ready to explore the world of game dev with me. While that is the goal of mine, let me just quickly switch up the source to the right one, and then we can get moving forward. Just grab that for you now, everyone. Good. So you shrink that down so it fits the space we have available nicely. Of course, trying my best to make sure it sits nicely. And there we go. Okay, so welcome one and all. For those who were not around the latter part of my last stream, allow me the opportunity to explain to you what's been happening. So we started out with Game Maker, which is a version like a engine, and we were finding that it was a bit more complicated than what I kind of needed. So then we switched to a new game engine, which is called Unity. This is what we're looking at now. Unity has a tutorial on how to make 2D platformers, which is exactly what I'm looking to make. And so we were working through the different elements of the tutorial live. So the last thing we did was the build and publish process. So next what we're going to do is modify the look, so that's the modding tutorials basically we're moving on to next. Hopefully that's going to be nice and easy. Right. So we're looking to modify it a bit. So you can modify the billboard face and modify the name of the game. Alright, let's start and modify the game. See how that works. So the idea is that you followed this process through, and then eventually you will have name for the game. Let's try to get that one right. It's a little bit of a tongue twister for me. So you can customize your own splash screen. So open your micro game project. I'm assuming that's this we have here. In the projects window, search bar, type billboard. Okay, so I'm assuming I'm right in thinking that it's this bit here. Let's have a look, see billboard. No, billboard does not exist. So where would that be? Just trying to make sure I know where these things are. Open the micro game project. In the projects window, search bar. Oh, okay, it's down there. Ha 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 ha. Excellent billboard. There we go. We've got some billboards just appeared. Welcome back, K-Plays. Welcome back. Just so you're aware, I'm testing out Pretzel Rocks to see how nice. Well, thanks. I'm trying to do some nice chill music while we go through this process, and it's specifically been picked because it's good for Twitch as well. So at the moment we're doing some billboard stuff, so they're just working on this, putting in oh wait, yes, so modding the name of the game. So we could type bar build those as you will type. If any billboard assets appear, you can begin with step 1, but wait, you still might not have the latest version of the micro game. Just like search for donut. Okay. There's a donut. There is indeed a donut. Let's rock. Please note that as we update these projects, the screenshots provided might not reflect the exact folder structure of your project. If you notice it's different, you can always search the name of the asset to find what you're looking for.
I don't know what y'all think, but I think that's pretty.
That's cool. That's cool. Kay, do you think it's worthwhile me having a chat appearing in the stream, or do you think it's better that it's just me chatting? Because obviously I'm responding to people's questions and conversations, but maybe I might suddenly respond to somebody and there's no context. So do you think it might be worth having some kind of chat aspect in this? And if so, I'll get it added. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Right. Cool. Right, so we're looking now, working through. So our splash screen is made using the Unity's UI system. Let's make a change to the game's name. In the hierarchy, set the UI canvas, which is this lovely fellow here. Main and header. So we want to drop that down. Main, and then we want header, which is this one. Excellent. Oh, that's cool. So we actually they have like a predefined template here for us. Excellent. In the expected, click on the text field and type the name of your game. As you make the changes, you should receive them reflected in game view. It's over here. So what should we call this game? Do they have any suggestions on what we should call it? Or should we just give it some kind of unspecified name? Something random so it doesn't just say platformer template. Oh, hi Tiny Titan, welcome to the stream. And I started this process last week. So to give a recap of what's been happening, I have decided after 7+ years of working with independent games developers that I would put myself out there and actually make myself a game. And so to get an understanding of how these things work, what I've decided to do is jump straight into it. So we experimented with a couple of engines last week, and we seem to settle down very nicely with Unity. I am making a side-scrolling 2D platformer, and the idea is that there will be eventually 4 worlds and 2 levels in each world, which then makes a total of 8 levels. We're going to try and keep it nice and small and compact, so it can be done like quite easily. But at the same time, of course, I appreciate this is going to be a bit of a push, and a lot of the assets already exist, so it's going to be potentially easy for me, but it's all about understanding how this works and basically then putting the game out there. And as we iterate and as we build on this, I'll be launching builds, and then everyone who's watching can play the game. Like after I'm done, you can actually play the game and then give me feedback, and then we can take the feedback and then we can iterate in the live stream. So it's about creating that relationship and moving forward as a collective. So I think it's just going to be really cool, really awesome, and just something I've never done before. I think it's going to work. But yes, Tiny, thank you for that. So right now, what I'm trying to do is come up with a name for this game. So right now, I'm just struggling with that at the moment. Now the character is an unspecified green, like big-headed character type person. It's not even that important. We could just call it technically Untitled Game 1. It doesn't really matter. It's just understanding how you would do these things. So right now, what we're doing, we're messing around with the UI and looking at how things would work. Yes, no, you're totally right. The name could change by the character you have or the type of levels you have. So yes, I totally agree. I think honestly that I might need to put the chat in this stream because it's so involved with other people and we're going to be chatting and kind of like talking to one another. I think it makes sense that we have the stream, the conversation and appear in here. Where I can put that, I'm not entirely sure at this second, because there's not much real estate that I can use. Maybe, I don't know, over on the right or something for now. I don't know for sure. Okay, Tidy. I hope to see you again shortly. Let me just quickly open up a new tab, just so I can then bring that chat room into this stream, because it is going to be something that we're going to be working on as a collective. So it makes sense that we have that available to us at all times. Of course, by all means, if there is anything that you would like to discuss or you'd like to know more about, don't hesitate to speak to me or chat to me in the chat room, and I will do my utmost to respond accordingly. Right, so originally the chat box looks like it may have sat in the bottom left hand corner, but we might not want that to occur in this instance, so it might be worth putting the chat box in another location. Right, let me just quickly try and find where that is, and then I'll get that added. Everyone, just trying to find where the chat box is. There we go. Oh, to be fair, that chat would probably work in this instance, because it'll probably be nice and big. If we have it maybe going across the bottom or something for now, might be a good idea, isn't it? There's a lot of real estate along the bottom that doesn't really matter to anything right now. So we can see if this works. If it doesn't work, then we can always just work around it. Enter a username you'd like to ignore. I'd like to ignore Pretzel Rocks, please. Because that's just going to get annoying. And I would like to ignore Nightbot, maybe? If only because that's just going to, again, potentially take up a lot of my real estate. I'm now interested to see how this would work, if at all. So there's a way that we can sort of pretend chat has happened. I click save. So see now the bars appear at the bottom of the screen, that should be the chat. Let me just test the chat. Okay, so it is just, it's not like a scrolling one, it's literally like a stacked one, which is going to be a bit annoying because that looks like it's tiny. So we kind of want to move it over here and bring it up like that. Interesting. Just sort of shows that it's cut off the bottom somehow, but I don't know how. Okay, it wasn't cut off the bottom, it's just the examples missing. So I'm just tweaking this live so I can make sure this, that'll do. That'll do for now. And if we need to, we can always move it around a bit more. But I think that's a nice solid chat location for now. And of course, if we do find that we want to talk, okay, I told it to ignore pretzel rocks. Give me a second. Why did that not ignore pretzel rock? Why did you not ignore him? Text, no, settings. Okay, it could be because it's case sensitive. Potentially it could be because it's case sensitive. If that is the case, then hopefully next time it won't appear. Okay, cool. Right, sweet. Right, everyone, so we've now got that sorted. So let's give this a title of just some randomness right now. So that's going to call it Nexie's Jam. There we go, it's called Nexie's Jam. There we go. No point in changing that because that totally makes sense for what you see. We can do some interesting changes to the type of style. We've got some different types of font. Okay, so we got installed. We've got one that's installed. Okay, that's cool. So we could probably change that at some point to a different type of font should we want. Okay, so what's next? That's the wrong one. Let's close that now. I don't think I need to add anything more. Okay, change the font by clicking the change the font by clicking the circle selector next to the font asset field. Ah, okay. So I didn't click that. Oh, there's a few. Nexie's Jam. Oh, I like the pixelated one. Nexie's Jam. Some scribble ones there. No, I'm sorry, but I'm a sucker for all this kind of style. So do we double click it? There we go, double click, and now changes the font. Nice. See your title screen in action. Your title screen only appears when you pause the game during gameplay. The escape key is pause key, so to see your new title screen in action, simply enter play mode and then pause the game by pressing escape. Remember, even though your game is paused, you are still in play mode, so be sure to exit play mode before making any further modifications. Okay. So we've done the UI canvas. Let's go and play the game, which is up here. Took me a while to remember what that was then. I was like, where's the play button gone? There it is. It's hidden away. Okay, so this is the game that we've kind of put together, very loosely, of course. Okay, so we got some music in the background there for the game. Of course, it's kind of conflicting with the music that we have playing in the background. So what I'm going to do is just while I play this, just to turn down the chill music for now. So if we press escape, we should now see, yeah, nice, sweet. Credits, main, settings, controls. Cool. So that looks legit. That's awesome. Okay, so it was like Control P, was it? Yeah, Control P. What? Jeez, I remember the shortcut. There we go. Let's put that music back on. Nice. Oh, okay. Oh, I did that? Oh, I did do that. Oh, that's cool. I popped out into its own little window. That's cool. I didn't know I could do that. That's cool. Means I can now control it without actually having to do much. It's just quickly moving some stuff around while I just go through this. Right, excellent. Okay, so what's next on the agenda? Mark step is complete. Okay, so there's a billboard face. Should we just take a step back and do the billboard face? Billboard face. Add yourself into the game on a billboard. I don't know why I would put myself in that, but it's a kind of a cool little tweak. So we did this before, so we know we can do that. So in your project window, locate the folder mod assets or challenge assets. Okay, so we want to find mod access or challenge access. I'm not seeing that. Oh, because it's in here. There it is, mod assets. Okay. In 2D props and then billboard prefabs. There we go, billboard prefabs, just as it says it would be. Select one of the billboard and drag it into your scene view. Okay. Where's my scene gone? There we go. So here we go. So this is the level design part. Sort of, it was hidden away there for a moment, but there we go. So we could bring in one of the billboards. Big in it. Nope. Oh, I'm going to go with the big one, I think. Let's put it between. Oh no, let's put it over here. Can I shrink that? Can I make that smaller? Transform, position, scale. If I then say like -5 and then -5, okay, that's going way bigger than I expected. So maybe just straight out 5. Okay, that's interesting. I wasn't expecting that to be the case. Maybe they'll tell us how to do that later. I don't know. Okay. Billboard tool cannot be scaled. Billboard basic one can. Billboard is currently blank. Let's customize billboard by adding a custom sprite. Oh, I see. So where is that function? I can't remember what that function is. There's like a function that allows you to sort of move stuff around, but I can't remember what that is. I think you have to use a hand, maybe? Oh, there it is. So this gives you more function. kind of actually do more stuff with it, but we need to sort of scale it down at some point, but we'll figure that out as we go through the process. So, to find an image you'd like to place in your game and locate it in your computer, Unity supports a variety of different image formats such as textures, PNG and JPEGs. Once you've located your image, select Assets, Import New Asset. Asset, Import New Asset. I mean, it doesn't really matter. Should have something. This is my Noxy. There we go. This is my Noxy picture there. I'll add that in. Right, I did that. In the hierarchy, click the billboard content game in the hierarchy. Billboard game content. Okay. In the inspector, there's a field named Sprite. I see it. I think there it is up there. Ah, assets. Those are assets. Now, if we've added this asset in, where is it gonna live? It'd be under N for Noxy, I would assume, because that's what's called in the name. So let's try and type in Noxy. There's Noxy there. There we go. Way too big. You can see his eye. I mean, that's creepy, isn't it? Look at that eye, staring at you. There we go. Depending on the size of your image, it may appear too large for the billboard frame after being added. If necessary, choose the Rec tool from the toolbar. Is that up there? What's the Rec tool? Or press T for transform, probably. T. Right, that's not worked. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. T doesn't seem to be doing anything at all. Scale tool, Rec tool. Oh, okay. That's how you do it. Okay, so we need to do it to the picture though. It wasn't working because the picture was too big. Let's try and. No. You. Come on. Oh, there's the rotation. You just stick that to 0 again. There we go. Excellent. There's the so if I just move that over a bit, so it's more just in line with the character. Nice. That's amazing. Once you're finished, it should look something like this. Get back. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, so we now pick. We can now shrink it down. There we go. Move over a bit. So move against that piece of grass. Looks like that grass is growing up against it. See, I think that's cool. Nice. Just double checking that you can see it. My webcam wasn't in the way. It wasn't, so I'm happy. In fact, I could have just done that to show you, make sure it's always the middle there. So we now have a billboard with a character picture in it. That is so cool. Okay, honestly, I'm chilling at the moment. Don't worry about it just now. Let me know when you're ready and all that, and we can have a chat if you need to. By all means. Mark step is completed. Extra credits. Stretch your Unity skills with these additional mini mods. Try different billboards, try different images, make direction signs, funny advertisements, or just put your face all over your game. Try changing the billboard frame color tint to give it a different look. See our Splash Color mod for additional information on how to do this. Use Tech Mesh Pro to use text instead of an image for the billboard. Scale the billboard size. Something I've been doing wrong. Who knows? Who knows? I'm just one of those type of people that just likes to have themselves everywhere. I like how it's just my character's just like looking. So when you start the game, it's just gonna be staring at you. Let's have a look at that. It's gonna be just sat there staring at you. It's like, oh, you think you're so clever. Oh, that's so cool. I'm proper chuffed at that. That's really cool. Whee! Whee! Hi, Self. How's Self doing? Nice. Right, so here we go. That's some extra credit stuff. Join and share. Okay, I see. Right, we're going to go to the next tutorial, which is a splash of colour. It says 5 minutes. That's always how I like to live in life. So at the moment we've got this interesting kind of like blue, kind of grey box style. And now what we're going to do is we're going to now add some colour to this. Right, so open the microgame project in the project window, search, type, oh, I've done all that, we know it's fine. The world is made of many tiles. You have buildings, trees, fences, clouds and more. Select the tree asset tile by navigating to the platformer template, tiles and trees. So we want to go back. So assets, tiles and tree. There's tree, tree. Tree is everywhere. Tree is wonderful. You found your tree. Let's change the sprite. Select the circle and the inspector. Circle and the inspector. We have some different trees, different stuff. We're gonna go for this teal green. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So they went the green one, but I went for the teal one because I am like that. Done this. All of your tiles on your tile maps, such as this tree, are rendered using a material. Materials define how an object is painted on the screen. Materials in Unity can control color, make an object appear rough, smooth, or even glow in the dark. Now make some new materials. Oh, okay. Open the custom materials in the project view I navigate into mod assets, platformer, customer, materials. Okay, so mod assets, custom materials. I said platformers first. But did I not need to do that? Making sure I didn't need to do that. I went into mod assets. It says platformer, but I won't lie, I didn't see it. I've taken out that step, I think. Oh, hey Kay. Yeah, sure. Give me a second. Let me just quickly tweak this a bit, because of course the music in the background is going to be slightly louder than you potentially. So, oh wait, I just realised I had it out. Separate. Bring that sound down. And go to Discord. And go to lobby. Hello. Oh wait, I got to push the talk again, haven't I? Probably.
That might be me. Hang on.
Give me a second.
Ah, there we go.
Probably have push to talk on again, so I'm just gonna quickly make sure. No, I don't. It does. It says while I'm talking. So, oh, here we go. It's seeing me now suddenly. Hello, Crystal. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Yeah, I'm awesome. I'm awesome. Welcome to the Tuesday dev stream once again.
Oh, I've been looking forward to it.
Right, let me just pause the sound, the chill station in the background, just in case it kind of gets a bit much for people listening in. If it works out that we're okay, we can put it back on. But while we are working this through, let's go. So at the moment, as you can see, we are now working through the different elements and bringing in some color into the different parts and sections of the game. I'm currently what I'm actually currently trying to do is come up with some kind of new material.
Yeah.
Which is what I understand is pick a material and drag it onto a part of the level in the scene view. This will apply the material to the entire applied tile map. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so it literally paints everything like one whole color.
Yeah.
That's cool. So maybe not that color. Or maybe this one. There's not much different to the last one I chose, to be fair. I mean, I'm learning as I go. What can I say?
Yeah.
This is what we're doing.
Absolutely.
And then I want to go. How do I go to this? Okay, that's blue. What's happening to it? What's it actually doing? Is it making it that color? I need to see it. Sorry. Jesus Christ. It's completely wiped it out. Oh no. Let's try and get some actual color back. This is cool. I mean, it's cool, but at the same time, it's like, it's making it all kind of weird. Oh, so there's like literally different elements, different like stages of things. That's cool. I'd like it to be a little bit more. I'd like the clouds to be its own element, and I'd like the hills to be their own. Because then you could then just paint them all at once. But
Yeah.
if I decide to change my mind in doing this, I can just Control Z, right, until I go back to how it used to be. Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
Yep, it did. Cool. No, it's just I was worried that I was going to lose all the progress we'd made thus far. I just realised my billboard's actually covering a tree, so you need to move that tree. Move the tree, please. Move the tree to move. Oh, I see. So level, foreground, background, far background. It lets me change the tree, but doesn't let me... Oh, wait. That's not what I wanted to do. I have to be over here somewhere or something. I don't want to lose that tree. I want to keep that tree. I like the fact, though, that he stared at you when you started the game. So I'm just going to leave that there for now.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, why not? Indeed. He's going to haunt everyone's dreams. Anime
Hell
Noxie.
yeah.
He's going to haunt everyone's dreams. I mean,
I haven't worked on this game for a day or two now, but I don't remember what it was I wanted to do next. I think.
I mean, the fading and stuff is somewhat interesting. So try it into materials properties such as the color, and you can do things like you can make it more tinted, glow, fade out. I mean, that's well and good and everything, but I still think that would be just a bit unnecessarily complicated.
Yeah.
But it's good to know. I could come back to it should I want to do that.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, right. So if wait, I'm just going to go back for a second. Apparently I should have been marking myself as completing things because I get experience from doing that.
Oh, experience points.
They gamified this. They gamified it big time.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. So we've done all that. So, oh, you can mark all as complete and continue. That's sweet. Skip and continue. I've already started this. We're way ahead of you. Right, so we're now on the add trails.
Oh.
So I take it that's like a trail of glow or something. And you're moving around. That's cool. Okay, so... Oh yeah, here you go. Nice. So what we're going to do, we're opening a microgame project. No, we've done all this. This is just to check to make sure we have the most recent update. Find the player game object in a hierarchy and select it. Player, yes. Hi, player. In the projects window, open the challenge assets and go to trail prefabs. Okay. Mod assets, trail prefabs. A long trail, rainbow trail, subtle trail. Okay. Drag it under the player. Oh wait, don't I have to go into the player, don't I? And then drag it under the player. Like that. So it now sits under the player. So now if we did that, you can see it sits directly under the player. Press play, then walk and jump around. Okay. There we go. Hey! No. I like how the trail was like exists when you die, so it sort of zooms back to your body. You could almost write names on this. Oh, I always do that. Every single time. I always die that one. Anyway, we know how that works. Excellent. Right, so now we're going to do some more interesting stuff. So we're going to stretch our Unity skills with these additional mini mods. Try adjusting the lifetime of the trail. The lifetime module controls how long the trail will exist in the scene. Lower the values will create short-lasting trails, while longer values create longer-lasting trails. Okay, so we do that by clicking on this. Or do we go into it even more? Ah, here we go. So what we're looking for is the time. So the bigger the number, the longer it lives for. So I think 3 is a good number. Now, does it allow me to change if you die or something like that? Is there a way that we can sort of add something that says like it doesn't exist in that mode?
What you can do is if you have a script on the object that you want to check whether it exists on, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
If you can, it would involve kind of opening the script, but you can kind of store almost a reference to it, and then you can just kind of check in the code if it's equal to null, or if it like doesn't exist. You can do that kind of thing. You just need to store a public game object, and then once you're in the Unity editor, you just drag that object from the hierarchy into the little thing that appears on the editor under that component. And
Right here, yeah, where it says add component.
huh?
There's like an add component button. So
Yeah,
see it
so
adds. Okay.
if you add a component, you'll have to make a new script.
I'm not going to do that. No,
Okay.
no, I don't know what I'm doing still. That's mad.
All right.
But I'll definitely add. We'll definitely get there at some point. Right.
Yeah.
So we've messed around with the timing. We can mark as complete. Deeper learning. To go deeper in exploration of techniques used in this mod, you've added a prefab to the player game object to make a shiny color trail. These prefabs each contain a trail renderer, which is one type of visual effect supported by Unity. To learn about these concepts, check out the related tutorials. I will come back to that later. And I'm not gonna do that. Tinted world. That's interesting. Tint the colors of the world to give it an entirely different feel. Let's tint the colors of the world to give it an entirely different feel. So find the main camera object. Okay. And that's in the assets. No, under UI main camera. There we go. Main camera. Found it. Nice. In the inspector window, click the background color field to bring up the color picker. Choose a color. And change the color of the level by tinting the different tile maps. Okay, interesting. So we're going to go through this again. So background, color. This last time, I don't know what it's doing. Ah, here we go. Did that last time. It's giving it like a interesting, like, if I went that darkish red, like that burgundy red, looks like a, oh, that looks cool as a background. Sorry, everyone, but I think that looks cool. Excellent. Find the grid game object in the hierarchy and expand it by clicking the drop down. So grid, which I already have done. Oh, I'm a little bit ahead of this. Select the level game child object. Nice. And once again, pick a color. So what's this do? Oh, okay. So that because that gives me the ability to change. So if we wanted to go, let's say like a kind of like a yellowy, maybe like a kind of greeny color. So there we go. There we go. So that changes that color. Interestingly enough, I have like this block here that hasn't changed color for some reason.
Oh.
It says it's on the foreground as if it's not part of the image at all. I don't know what that means in this world, but we'll come back to that maybe at some point. Done that, and we've done that. Cool. Stretch your Unity skills with these additional mini-mods. To adjust the colors of all the different tile maps, such as the background, far background, experiment with different colors to match the ones below. Oh, I see. So it's like saying, hey, you can make it like a shadow world, or you can make it like a dust or dusky or something. That's quite cool. So if we go into background, we do the color picker again. I'm gonna make it no, so that changes the color of the houses. I don't want the colored houses to be anything but like brown or something. Go around the color chart, see which one's the closest. Kind of like interesting. When I go like brown, it sort of starts to drown the color out a bit. The detail starts to disappear because it's all one grey box. That'll do. I'm gonna go far background, which is I think the clouds. I keep doing the color pickup. Yeah, it is like the cloud, but that's interesting. That's quite cool. Kind of bring that color down a bit. Nice. I think that works nicely as a collective kind of like color scale and design generally. Okay, so next what we're going to do is it gives you some more techniques. We can come back to the techniques another time. Let's have a look at this game now, see how this plays. How it looks. I just immediately die. Yes. Well done there.
Good job.
Yep. Like
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, indeed. I'm just making the game. I'm not supposed to be an expert at it.
Absolutely.
That's for everyone else to get good at it. My game's just to make it hard.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying the. Oh, okay. So these different coloured blocks, these foreground ones, so you can walk behind them. I see. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get those up there yet. I suppose we're going to find out.
Yeah.
Come on. That jumping. The way this jumps is really finicky.
Yeah.
Come on. Move, and then jump. Move, jump, move, jump.
There you go.
Look at that judgmental face. Noxie's displeased with you dying.
Yes.
And I should say anime Noxie is displeased with you dying. How dare you die? Right, so mark. Okay, so we've done that, and we're going to mark this as completed, and we're going to get some Unity Essentials level 1 and Art and Animation level 1. Nice. Animate your world. We get to animate next. We're going to learn some animations. Cool. With some life.
Nice.
world of a platformer micro game is static, out of the box. Let's add some animations. In the project view, select Assets, UTech. Okay, this is going to get interesting. Assets. I don't see UTech. Oh no. That's where it always goes. UTech doesn't seem to exist in this version.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, indeed. What are we looking for? MG platformer. MG platformer we want. Let's search for MG. Oh, that's even worse. There's platformer as a thing. It's in mod resources and scripts. I don't think it's going to be scripts that we're going to be messing with here. No, there's going to be some. Oh wait, it wants us to go. Wait, I'm very confused. It's asking us to go to the sprites again, but I think the sprites were somewhere else. Weren't they? They weren't there. They were somewhere else. I can't remember where I found them. We had them before. Tiles. It's in tiles. There you go. There. Cloud, fence, hillside, tree. Select a tree again. It really likes that tree.
Yeah.
And it wants us to add a component and type in jiggler. Tree. What? It won't let me add a component to the tree. What's it barking on about? Oh, he wants us to drag a new tree into the scene. I see. So that drag the word tree, I think, isn't it? No. Why isn't it letting me drag it in? What are you doing? Why are you not dragging? It's not letting me drag. Oh wait. I know why. 'Cause we are not in the level. We are in the grid. No. Where is they? Background? Level. Why doesn't it let me drag it in? Why are you not letting me drag it in? Game. What am I missing here? There's grid. Foreground. Let's hide that. That. Hide this. Is that. So it's definitely level. So we can. Okay. Nice. Well, let me drag. You won't let me drag into the level. What am I missing? Am I missing something? It should just let me drag in, right?
I think so.
It's just not letting me do it. What am I missing? What am I reviewing here? What's going on? There's props. Isn't props. It wasn't resources, was it? Was it? No. The scripts. Prefabs. What am I missing here? I feel like I'm missing something. That must be the right one. It must be the right place to go. If I type in the word tree, there's only gonna be one. There's gonna be like one tree. Haha. Right. It's a tree till, which is that one. And there's tree till, which is this one. Ah. Ah. Interesting. And that. Ah. So where's that living in? Where is this? Where does it live? This tree. So right now it's there. I want it to be in the level. So do I need to plant? There we go. That's what we want to do, isn't it? One. Plant it into the tree. There we go. No, because it keeps trying to add it as its own element. It's not an element. It's no different to that tree there. I feel like I'm missing something crucial.
What is it you're trying to do?
I'm just trying to I don't know. Truth be told, I'm not sure. Because like these ones that exist live in the same realm as level, right? They're part of the level. But I've just added in a new tree. So I need to add that to what level?
So when you click on the tree you want to add, does it highlight on the left there?
Yes, it does.
So if you, where it's highlighted on the left, if you click and drag that onto level, it should become
Part of it. Okay, let me
yeah.
do the it wants me to put the animation in, so I'm going to go do that first. So
Okay.
it's suggesting I put in a add component and type in jiggler. It just says it's a script by the looks of it. Done. So the jiggler is in. Okay, click the jiggler component. By default, the jiggler would do a bit of jiggling on the scale. Click play to check it out. Let's add another tree and customize it. While you have the tree select in hierarchy, select edit, duplicate, or press shortcut Control D or Command D to quickly duplicate. With your tree still select hierarchy, select move tool in the toolbar and drag the arrows to move the tree, which I've already done. Let's make the tree spin. Okay, I'll come to that in a minute. One thing at a time. Right, so this will jiggle. So that's my jiggle tree. So I'll put the jiggle tree there. So you see it in the first couple of seconds of the game. And now what it wants me to do is to duplicate the tree, which I've just done. There we go. I'm gonna make this tree spin. That's what he just said. So in the inspector, under the rotation jig amount, type 100 into the Z scale rotation Z 100. Rotation jig amount to 100. And press play to get a glimpse of what this is currently doing to your tree. It's just wiggling. Look it go. Look it wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I love it. It's wiggling.
Excellent. So next what we want to do is pursue this. So some extra credits. Try adding position jig as well. Add jigglers to new props in your game. Get new props to animate following the perform a mod decorate your mode. That'll come up probably in not too long. Try adjusting the frequency parameters. What do they do? Frequency is a common term that means how many times something happens. What does it mean here? I will mark that as complete. So basically it's saying like adding different types of jiggle to different things. So X jiggle of 50, and I'll take off the turn jiggle. What does that do? Let's have a look. It's just going mental.
Oh, I love it.
That's just going crazy. Right, so that's what that does. Is this one right? Yeah. Right, and the scale, I take it scale is growth.
Yeah.
So I'll leave that alone for now. Let's probably make it bigger. Or maybe we should mess around with it again. So X is width, Y is height. So if we then say 5 and 5, which is really small, very small amounts, and see what that does.
Also, what I've just noticed is just a heads up, when you are making games or streaming game dev on Twitch, typically rather than just chatting, you do science and technology. I'm not sure it overly matters because technically there is still chatting, but usually for game dev or programming or things like that, you do science and technology.
That's good to know. I didn't know that. Thank you for that. I'll definitely do that. Oh, is that what? Okay, so that's what that does. So by going 0.1 and then, oh look at that. It's ever so subtle, but it looks like it's moving in the wind now.
Oh yeah, I see it.
I like that. I'm gonna leave that in. Right, that's fun. I'm actually really enjoying this. This is so much fun. Oh, custom triggers. Nice. Right, so we're going to do some custom triggers this time. It says triggers are a powerful part of Unity and game development. Learn how to hook up your own custom trigger to activate a confetti celebration. Before you get started, you need some special assets. Don't worry about that. Let's just double checking we've got the most up to date. So in the menu bar, select Game Option, 2D Object and Sprite. The Game Object, 2D Object, Sprite. Okay. So we now have a new sprite. In the inspector under Sprite Renderer, click the circle next to None Sprite and search Tile Ground and double click it. Tile Ground. There's a few there, so I'm going to go with the green one. No, go for that one. Double click it. There we go. Right, using the move and scale tools, adjust the turtle so it covers up a portion of the screen that the player can walk over. Okay, so we're going to move it over here somewhere, and we kind of want to go in to it, so it kind of allows us now to sort of match like that. Of course, that's going to be really obvious because that top part is brick. But it doesn't matter, it's all in the aim of testing this out. Excellent. Okay, so we've done that. Excellent. Right. Rename the game object to confetti trigger. Okay. So instead of it being a new sprite, we're going to call it confetti trigger. In the inspector, click add component and search for Box Collider 2D. Box Collider 2D. In the inspector under the Box Collider component, check the Is Trigger box. There we go. In the inspector, add another component and search for Simple Trigger and add it to the confetti trigger. Okay, so what was the name of this one? This was called Simple Trigger. Simple Trigger. Excellent. Drag the player from the hierarchy to the trigger body field inside the Simple Trigger script. Player. Player. That seemed to work. In the project view, find Confetti Celebration. Project view, Confetti. Confetti Celebration. Pretty fab, there it is. And we need to stick it under. There you go, so it sits, I need to sit under that. There we go. So it sits under the confetti trigger. You saw it, it just sitting this. Oh, hi, Ashlawn NZ. Howdy diddly doodly doodly. Hope you're having a great time. We'll be lurking.
Oh, welcome.
Welcome along. Thank you for joining and have a good lurk. There is a lurk command should you choose to want to use it, which is !lurk. All one word. Feel free to use it should you want to. We are doing some work together. We're doing some work on this game, so feel free to have some suggestions if you wish and add them to the chat. Where is I? Ah, yes. Everyone's doing a celebration. Okay, so now click the confetti trigger and in the simple trigger component, click plus underneath the on trigger enter. Okay, so this is where it gets a bit more complicated. There we go. It's interesting it says underneath on trigger enter. Oh yeah, I see, okay. And so now we want to drag in the confetti, I'm assuming, to the non-object. Aha. Like that. Excellent. And where it says click drop down that says no function and select the particle system play. Was that renderer or it's just particle system? Let's see. Particle system play. Nice. Now we just need to hide the config. Now we just need to hide the config. Config. Config.
You okay there?
I would love to be able to say this word. The confetti. Now we need to hide the confetti trigger mesh so that you don't need to see it on the road. Oh, okay. So that's why. Oh, right. I thought I had to hide it. I apparently don't. Ah, I see. So it's basically just like a make it as big as possible so that you're definitely gonna hit that. So what we want to do is that maybe.
Let's see if my fish work.
There we go. Right, so now we want to hide the mesh so you don't see it on the road. Uncheck the box next to sprite renderer. Okay. Click play and watch the confetti fly when you cross the box. Sure thing.
I tried to make fish and it didn't work properly.
Forgot the tree's still going mad. So
Something's very, very wrong with my fish and I don't know what. Oh dear. This isn't how fish work. What have I done?
try that again.
Uh,
Where's my confetti? Where is it? It didn't trigger. Well, I'll be damned. Where are you? It's here somewhere.
Oh, I see what I've done. I think that's it.
Ooh.
Are my fish gonna work now? No, they're still not working.
Where is my confetti trigger? Why are you not working, confetti trigger? So trigger body. Let's go through this again. So rigid body, yes. Runtime only, yes. Confetti celebration. I definitely put that in there. And then I said particle system play. It changed it for some reason. Who knows why that did that? Particle system play is what I said. And it should just trigger, apparently, according to the thing. I still don't see it. I don't think it's in the game. Which is rather interesting. I see it here, though. What's it doing? What's it doing? It's a trigger. and it's a simple trigger that happens when the sprite moves through it. Oh, I get to do some testing on this. So you got confetti trigger, confetti celebration, and then the trigger body was the player, and then on trigger enter, runtime only.
Oh, my fish work. That's cool.
Confetti celebration. The only thing that was annoying is that the confetti celebration changes what it looks like when you set it to particle system play. The logo changes, and it says now you need to hide the confetti trigger mesh so you don't see it in the road, right? But
Yeah.
even though I can see it, it doesn't seem to exist in the world. Why is that?
Show me your box collider. If you click the edit in the box collider.
What box collider? I'm very confused.
So there's a little button next to like edit.
There's the box collider there. Box collider 2D.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it seems to match up. So if you uncheck sprite renderer, just above it,
Yep.
above the box collider, and I guess play and just walk through it.
I did, but it didn't seem to work.
Do you have the particle system set up?
Yeah. Weirdly, it doesn't seem to be doing anything.
Odd.
Particle system. Definitely confetti. Right. It should be here. It should be right here. But it's not. That's so weird.
Yeah.
Is there any way I can know for sure that it's being triggered by me moving around? Is there anything that kind of like tracks that?
I guess the best way is just to enable the sprite renderer again so you can see it.
That's the thing, it doesn't appear when I do that.
Odd.
Huh? I am literally on it. It's definitely the player that I'm doing it to as well. Let's just go back to the go back through the process. So it was player.
Try it again.
Player. Confetti celebration. Confetti celebration. Runtime only. Particle system. Play. What am I missing? Weirdly, I just press play on this particle effect. It didn't seem to do anything.
Press restart on the particle thingy.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Something's definitely not triggering it for some reason. What am I missing?
Go back through the tutorial again, make sure everything's set up properly.
That's what I was just doing, but it doesn't seem to say that I'm doing anything wrong.
Mm.
Right, so go back to the trigger. So the trigger, let's put the sprite renderer back on, just so we can see it visibly anyway, regardless, right? So at the moment, what we know for a fact is that this exists in this scene. It's definitely there.
Yeah.
Now, when the player, which is the trigger body, passes into this space, doesn't matter how big the mesh is, obviously, what we're telling it to do is run particle system of the confetti. Right, so let's go back through this because I feel like I'm missing something here. Right, so we started with the sprite, which we've done, which is the mesh. Then we made the mesh big, which we've done. Gave it a new name, added the 2D collider, made it a trigger, added the simple trigger script, which basically says trigger body is the player, which it is. I'm assuming it's the same, just the icon's different. Then I got the confetti celebration, added it under the trigger.
Yeah.
Then I told it to add on trigger enter. Then it told me to drag from the hierarchy this to there, which I did. Then it says particle system play. So that's what I did. Particle system play. Okay. Then I went. Then it's like now I just need to hide the trigger by taking up sprite renderer, and then watch the confetti fly out when you cross the box. Okay, so that's what. Maybe move the box. Put it for this tree, so we do it within the first like few seconds of the game.
Yeah.
And click play. Literally nothing's triggering. I don't understand where I'm going wrong with this.
No, it looks like you've done everything right.
Right, that doesn't seem to be doing anything.
You haven't messed with the actual particle system or anything, have you?
No, I haven't touched anything. Right, I think we need to start from scratch on this.
So your confetti celebration thing.
Yep.
Set the X, Y, and Z to 000 and the scale to 111.
Ah, see that just triggered then.
Yeah. So. Oh, is that?
Huh?
So is your confetti celebration kind of under the trigger? As in, is it kind of a child of the trigger?
That worked. It is a child of the trigger, yes.
Okay, so I guess try play again.
Hold on, let me just, because it's not, I'm not telling it to do anything right now. Particle system, play, and then play. Hey!
Hey!
I don't know why it's triggering over there though. That's interesting. Oh wait, was that why we weren't seeing it? Was it off screen? Maybe.
Yeah. If when resetting the transform it fixed it, then yeah, it was off screen somewhere.
Ah, there we go. That'd be why it's being faffy.
I'd also imagine that the confetti particle system isn't a child of the trigger, just from the position offset.
There it is.
There you go. So now if you go ahead and play, it should.
How do I get that to align? This needs to align with
Just set
mesh.
set the transform in the.
This one? Or is it the actual this one?
I mean, you can if you just reset both.
And can I mess with this? No.
Yeah, so position just settle the row
Oh, here we
to
go.
0.
Here we go. Right, that's how I do it. Right, if I go back to the trigger then, turn back on the sprite so I know where it is, go back to the celebration and move it. There we go. So now it's actually in the box.
Yeah.
So now if we move the box, it should just move with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. Oh god, I'm actually doing some legit game dev work. Hey! Hey! Yeah!
Hell yeah.
That's cool. Boom. You could have it so that when you kill an enemy it could explode every time, but that'd just be madness. But you could do that. That's cool. That's really cool. And I did some, and then figured out the problem. Solved it. Hey! Hey! That was a bit weird though, that we're like, why is it not working? It's like, it is, it's just you don't see it on the screen. Have multiple celebrations activate on one trigger. Use different effects to for the triggers. No, I'm right. I'll come back to that if I need to.
I just added spearfishing to my game. Kind of fun.
Nice. Paint your level. Why would I want to paint my level? I mean, that's all well and good, but why would I want to do that? Let's customize your level by painting on the tile map. Okay. So this is how you give the tiles themselves their own definition and color, I assume. So maybe you can go in there and actually like give things actual color instead of having it like block blue and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so we want to go window 2D tile palette. There is no tile palette there. Window. Yes, there is no window 2D. There is no tile palette. It's like it's trying to make me do some work. Where is tile palette? It's not in window. It's definitely not in here. Sprite packer, it says. Ah, what to do? Oh, I need the tile palette, so where would I find that? Where is it? I got tile map there. Oh, it's just added a new grid. I see what that's done. I ignore that then, that's wrong. Don't want that. Window. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, tile? Where are you, tiles? Navigation. Timeline, audio. General. Okay, what are we looking for? I don't know what I was talking about. Where is the tile palette? Where is tile palette? What Unity are we on? Unity 2019.4.19 tile palette. It says it's there, but it really isn't. But it's not there. It doesn't exist there. I don't understand what I can do. What can I possibly do to fix this problem? When actual everything is saying the tile map exists in this location, and I'm like, it really doesn't. Okay, so it requires a download of the 2D tile map editor via the package manager. Right. Where would you find package manager? I mean, why? It's the question I have to ask loads here. Tile map editor install. I mean, if this is a process you have to do to get this to work, surely in the description or like the guide it should say make sure you've downloaded and installed it. I mean that only makes logical sense in my mind.
Yeah.
Because I've gone through the tutorial and now I'm going through the modding tutorial. So you could argue that that should already exist in this world, but it doesn't. Anyway, there it is. Tile palette now exists as a thing, as an entity. Here we go. As I move, there we go. Nice, that's cool. I didn't know it. This is literally like, these are the things. This is how big it is. This is what this looks like. Right, so there we go. Does done some actual dev work again. Right, so next is so what we want to do, find the platform and the clouds in the tile palette by scrolling around the palette. I already have found those. They're there. Hello. Nice. Select the paintbrush tool, the palette toolbar. Select level in the active tile map drop-down menu. Click on a block in the tile map palette to select for painting. Return to the scene window. Click and drag to start painting and select OK. I'm not going to do that. As much as that's cool that I can do that, I'm not going to do that right now. But I take it that's how you construct the level. Like they would be platforms. They would be physical platforms.
I'd imagine so.
So that's basically teaching us how we make level 2.
Yeah.
Like you'd start with a blank screen, black scene.
Yeah. Hey, I need to drop out for about 5 minutes.
Okay, no worries, Crystal. I'll speak to you in a minute.
Be right back.
Alright. Bouncy sparkly, eh? 2D platformer mod. Bouncy sparkly. Another 5-minute foundational tutorial. Bouncy sparky. Add some special effects that trigger when the player lands. So like this could be like a puff of smoke or some kind of glitter or explosion. So we want to... I see. So player... You don't need that right now. I'm just interested to know that how you do that. I keep the trail as it is. Go to mod assets. And we want the bounce effect. Is that the one we want? Bounce effect. Prefabs. So we got bounce effect, glowy, fireworks, lighting, and sparkly. Right. So we got a few. Select one of the prefabs. These particle systems that have been pre-configured to play an effect when the player lands. So we're going to play spark glowing and I'm going to stick it under the player. What? Oh, I like how they like line changes depending on what. That's cool. The line changes as you're like changing its child-parent relationship. I mean, what am I doing? I'm not doing it down there. I'm doing it up here. I'm confused why that's not working. Bouncy glow seems to sit for some reason. Let's player. Let's sit under player, please. No, I'm not going to put it there, am I? What's it doing? Let's sit under the rainbow trail. I don't want to sit under rainbow trail. Is its own prefab, so I don't want it to sit under that, I don't think. What's it doing? Oh, that's right. That's where I was going wrong. I was trying to do it as a thing. It's not. It's an actual, its own thing. I remember now. You had to open it up itself. Zzz. Right. Bouncy glowy. It's pre-configured, it says. And then press play and try out the new effect. Zzz. 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 There we go. That's cool. Nice. Okay, so what's next? Extra credit. Stretch your Unity skills with these additional mini mods. Try just okay, Particle Rocks, you are being really like aggressive with the updates. I don't mind like if it asks, anyone specifically asks you to tell them. Like, to keep on about it is somewhat stressing me out. Is there a way that I can just sort of minimize the amount of updates that keep popping up? I can't turn it off. That's weird. Alright, then I shall do that instead. I'll try and work around it if I have to. Right, so we're back to the extra credit stuff. Sorry, I was just getting frustrated that they kept just posting constantly. I thought I said to ignore Nightbot. No, it doesn't matter anymore. I give up. I thought I told it to ignore Nightbot, but it doesn't seem to listen to what I ask it to do. Never mind. Yes, so adjust the start color parameter to tint a certain color. Speed, make them faster. Okay, so that's fine. Nice. Oh, bounce pads. Nice. Getting quite close to the end of this fundamentals tutorial. What if there's gonna be like more like advanced lessons and stuff that it teaches you as we progress in this? What I might do is I think this is a good old time to save progress. And I think we should play a game, or a game or two. I think it's game time now. I think we've done some game dev. We've spent a good couple of hours exploring the tutorials. And I think it's time that we start playing some games. So with that in mind, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to the talk scene. Hello, one and all. Welcome to the talk scene. And I'm just going to switch over to a game. So I don't know what game to play. Now, I have noticed as late there's been few types of games that have been attracting the most amount of people, but what I might do is I might do some Rocket League. I think at this stage. So I'm just going to quickly update the stream accordingly. If there is any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Oh, okay, hey, I'm switching it to a game. I was going to play something like Rocket League. My brain is somewhat getting a bit fried because this is all brand new to me still. So I'm just going to quickly. Oh, good. So yeah, because I've done it for a good couple of hours. So now I'm like, brain. Excellent. Okay, so what I'll do then is I'll switch it over then. There must be a quick way to do this. I'll do it in Twitch then, I suppose. Oh yeah, yeah. By all means, join in. I love playing with other people, and honestly, don't worry about being crap, because it works in my favor. Because if we do like competitive, I'll get put on the weaker teams because you're playing with me, and so I'll look better. And that is legit a good enough reason in my mind, so I don't care. Alright, so we're just going to switch over now. So let me just quickly do that switch. And then we'll go Rocket League. There we go. No, don't apologise. We are not doing this because we want to be good. We're doing this for fun. We're doing it for fun. And the very worst case is if we don't enjoy it, I'm looking to bring in some other games on Sunday. So that'll be something that we can consider. Right. So that should have switched in the stream. I just need to quickly check that. Ooh. That's interesting. There's lots of stuff happening in my. This is weird. Sorry, a lot of things has just all started happening on my Twitch. I'm like, what is this? That's fun. Okay, this is some really cool stuff. I think they're just giving me like access to. Now I tried this last time. Rocket League killed my stream, so I'm going to hope that this time it doesn't do that. Okay, so with that in mind, what I should do is kill the music, boot up Rocket League. Just waiting for it to boot up now. Oh no. Oh, what's going on? Is he going to do it again? I don't know what's happened there. That was weird. That was so weird. It was almost like it was really struggling for a second there. I don't understand why that would be the case, or whatever. So we're just going to quickly just turn back on a game capture, which I think should actually sit above display capture. Yeah, that makes sense. Back to Rocket League. Nice, absolutely nice. That worked a treat. An absolute treat. Weirdly, my controller wasn't working for some reason, but there we go. Let's try that one more time. This time with vigor. We'll play this till about midnight, and then we'll probably call it a night unless we get some raid or something nearer that time, in which case we'll probably play a few rounds further as a thank you, if that is the case. Right, is that working? It seems to be working. There we go. It's working as expected. Nice. Alright, so we're just going to wait on Kay to get his game up and running. It's weird that it's doing that weird jodder. That's interesting. Okay, if you are ready, feel free to join the Discord chat again, because it makes it easier to play this. Of course, if you're not to worry. Unlock new content. What new content do I have to unlock? Oh, okay. That's fine. We'll get it ready for next time then. I'll probably do that on Tuesdays. Like end of... Okay. It'll probably be like end of show Rocket League. Like literally like 5-minute matches. So it's nice and easy just to end the stream as such. Ugh. That's about so I'll look at later. I haven't had a new car for a while. Might be worth trying to see if I can get a new car. Right. Should I go all out attack this time? Oh, I missed it. Ah! Nice. Ah, damn it, missed it. Oh, stopped me from getting it. Good. Ah. Right, that was a nice save, wasn't it? Nice block as well. Oh, I'll take that. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. Kickoff. Point that. Oh, that was awful. Okay. Oh, shit. That's my bad. To be fair though, I did have that shot completely covered. So that first shot would not have gone in. I'm confident in that knowledge. Ah, oh, damn it, I thought I got that first. That's it, hit it down. Nice. Middle if you can get it to me. Mind. Ah, unlucky. Ah. Spent too much of my boost getting up in the air, not enough actually creating momentum, so I didn't move forward enough. Oh, damn it! Did not expect somebody to pass me. Just gotta. Oh, damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Could have hit that. Could have hit that. Oh, that's a nice little block. Nice. All the way. All the way. All the way. Oh, damn it. So I was gonna miss that, and I was like, how did I get up there? Ah! Why did you hit me? Why did he hit me like that? Seriously, I had that. Why? I had that. That's the best I could do. Oh no, I've just gone up the wall. Oh, nice. It's 2-2. It's getting excited. 20 seconds left in the match. I shouldn't have done that. Oh shit, sorry. Get someone not their team, please. Nice. Don't. Ah, that's what I didn't want it to happen. So lucky. So lucky not drop there. I think we could have won that. I do honestly think we could have won that. I think it was just a couple of little mistakes. Why do they keep giving me one? Like literally, I get penalties, so harsh penalties. Immediate division down from one loss. Like, what? It's the first game. If it was like game 2, and I lost 2 in a row, I'd understand it. But game 1, 1 loss, division down. That is just no. It's like, what? It's madness, I tell you, madness. Just waiting for it to load now for the next game. Who knows? Who knows? I might be able to at this rate. It's taking forever. Hit the field. Oh, it's already searching still. Maybe choose a different car. Haven't changed the car for a while. Ah, I don't have all my. Oh, I do. It is higher up. What car? That was one of my favourite cars. Go with my favourite car. What look should we go for? Wood? Or glossy, sun damaged? With a spark, I think. Gone for some sparkle. Aha, look at that. Look how sexy that car is. Where's my team? Man. That's unlucky. That was unlucky. It's not like the most points. I'm not even done anything yet. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a good hit. I think I could drop nicely in front of the goal there. Oh man. Nice. Got it. Oh. It's a horrible hit. There's nothing he could have done. Nothing could have changed the outcome of that. Yeah, it was a good goal, wasn't it? Hey Emma, welcome to the show. You missed some expert game dev joke. So we did some Unity game making for a couple of hours. We've done some tweaking to the platformer game that we started to make. And now we're playing some Rocket League to end the kind of like the last like part of the show. But I'm so glad you made it. How are you today? How's been your Tuesday? Experience in what? Game dev or in Rocket League? There was two different statements I made there. I had to push out for that one, big time. Oh, nice. They can get it across. Nope. Oh no, I nearly hit it then. I thought the boost was still there. Oh no! Oh, that's not what you wanted to see. That's not. Ah. Oh no! Turn around. Bounce. Why did you hit me? Why? God damn it! I literally queued myself up to do the jump, and my own team member just rams into me. Got ya. Oh. Didn't think I could get that then. Oh, both. Yes. No. Unlucky. Pressure on. At least just in case. How what? I was expecting it to drop there. Okay, I do. I was so expecting to drop, and it didn't. I was like, oh shit. Oh man. Oh, what? Ow. Son of a bitch. Drop. It's fine. Sorry, I'm just covering the goal a bit here. Nice. Grab that beast. Mouse up there quick. Ah! Shit, that was the worst thing I could have done. Stop it getting in my way! Oh my god! Fuck these guys. Oh, what? I was expecting it to get away. Oh, I'll take that. Get it! Someone, please! My Christ. I can't the entire team just quit out. Oh, it doesn't give me a promotion though. I get one loss and get demoted. I get one win. Don't go straight back to where I was. No. Bloody game. Always does that to me. Always like, there's no, it's not simple, is it? It's just like, it should be simple. Grr. Beep, beep. It says joining, but I don't seem to be joining anything. It's weird that it won't let you do anything, and it's strange. Even into one. Done. Oh wait, that says join in again. I wonder how long it takes. Rocket passed. To be fair, I haven't done. I used to do rocket pass all the time. Oh, I could be a diva. Salty chips. I do like the salty insults. Season 2. Oh, that's a track. That's quite cool. I'm not entirely sure what this is. It's just like, I'm not telling you. Oh, this is taking forever, isn't it? Let's customize the car while we wait. I was doing some edits. Good metallic pearl. And obsidian and metallic. Nice. Very sexy. Should we do bike rack, cake, butterfly, chainsaw? Chainsaw it is. Here we go. Look at that chainsaw. There's not much I could have done other than that one thing, so I'm so glad that it worked. I'm not the only player in this team. Where was the goalkeeping? No rotation then, clearly. Wow. I'm not going to stay in it all bloody game. No way. No way. Not going to happen. Okay. Best I could do. Given the circumstances, I thought that was actually quite a legitimate, decent thing. Problem is, it hit. Oh, he didn't like me blowing him up, did he? damn it. It. Oh, I tried to stop it. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, shit. Oh, that sounds cool. What are you up to then? What's your plans for the change of channel style? Oh, no shot. That was beautiful. Beautiful shot. Mic drop. Amazing. It's a shame. Shit. Nice. Oh, damn it, I thought he was going to follow it up. Shit. Shit, shit, shit. Ah, it's not... What could I have done? That makes perfect sense. I understand that completely. Personally, right now, there's no need for me to worry about that. I mean, technically, the color scheme and everything I have kind of fits my brand almost anyway. So it's like, I know it is technically still free and it was pre-created assets, like, but it sort of works. Oh shit! Why? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Fuck. I never forfeit a game, by the way, ever. No point. You're not gonna get better from forfeiting, are you? You can play the players that are better than you, then you get better. Jesus Christ. I'm not quitting. I am not quitting. Fair enough. Yeah, no, the color, I liked your color scheme, yes. And yes, I agree. My teammates have just given up now. So this is more of them. Hey Munchies, hey! Welcome, 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 welcome. Hop on in, have a seat. Chillax on the tide. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just making up stuff as I go along. That's what I do. I don't have any cool gimmicks yet. Whee! Why would we forfeit? Why would we forfeit? How about you? How about you? What? I mean, literally you're streaming as I'm playing? Nice. Wow, what a maneuver on the wall that was. Okay, Munch. Thank you so much. The viewership is appreciated. Oh no, see now you've gone and done it. I give you a big heart for that one. Thank you. Really appreciate it. And when I do my raid later, I didn't know that. That's actually really cool. Unfortunately, because a lot of the games I play online require a lot of my bandwidth, I can't do that. I can literally, my computer can handle the game and the stream, and that is it. That is the max. It's literally tanking my computer. So I'm like, this is fine. This is fine. I mean, I could. If there's a way of doing multi-stream viewing on my phone, I could do that, I suppose. But that would just drain my battery. He said burping. Gross. What a gross human I am sometimes. What is this? I haven't seen this one before. It's a new map for me. Score for me. Ah. Oh. You can ask them. You can able to ask them, can't you? What is going on? Oh, shit. Why would you stop that bounce then? That would have gone straight into the front of my car. Oh no, didn't I just do that? Yes, I did. Hadouken! Oh no! Shit. I tried, I really did try. Don't! Why would you do that? Oh shit. Sorry. Good job! Ah, damn it. Chaos. Absolute chaos. Oh, don't do those sort of hits, please. Why did you do that? Why? Jesus. Yeah, that was nothing I could do. That was nothing I could have done about that. Literally nothing. That was painful to not only watch but to experience. Oh, unlucky. To be fair. I going? Let's get out of there. What am I doing? Doing so many cock-ups today. It's ridiculous. I don't know that. That was an unintentional save. Why did you try and steal it off me, you git? Wow. I had that all that way. Ah, no! I did it wrong. I did it so wrong. God damn it, I completely screwed that right up. That's my bad. Completely my bad. Fuck. Jesus Christ. Oh man, I am having a terrible game. That was a little bit better. Not bad with someone that had literally next to no boost as well. Damn it, I'm trying to get it quicker. No. What a save. Give him that, that was actually a decent save. Oh, that's painful to watch that. God damn it. It's just like dee 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 dee. Oh, why would you forfeit? Seriously. There's no point in forfeiting this. Just take the loss. Stop blocking me! God's sakes. Oh, I was the man of our team, so I was MVP of our team, which says a lot when I'm really screwing up constantly. Oh dear me. It did, it felt like it was slow motion. It really did. It felt like the ball could not have taken more time to get in the goal. Just next to the main, might as well. If it's going to take that long for us to get into games anyway. Oh, that was weird. Every time I stay, it's like takes ages, and I quit out, and it's like straight away. My ping is at 20, so that's not a bad ping, to be fair. Usually about 14 when I'm not streaming it, so not bad ping, to be fair. When you consider like the rest of the group, I'm actually doing quite alright. Oh, there's some gold champion winners. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh, ooh. Oh no! Damn it! Suck, I thought I had it. I'll take that. Why did you take it off me? I'm in perfect position for that. It was too high, way too high. Oh, hello. Well, that was fun. Oh, what a fucking save that was! Bounce me through it again, please. Ah, damn it! This is like what? Oh, man! Oh man! Oh man! Oh man! Oh, nice. You hit it to the wall like that. Just pass straight to your bloody team. That's a nice flick, to be fair. Ah, damn it! Miscalculated massively. Nice hit. Go on. That was going in. That was always going in. That ball was definitely always destined to go into the goal there. Destiny called and said, that ball you shot is going in. And I was like, are you sure? Because, you know, normally you don't return my calls. But it's like, no, this time, for definite. I was like, okay, Destiny, if that's what you really feel. Oh, where's my team? Lucky. Lucky. Oh, nice. Lucky, mate. Ah, damn it. Oh, what a goal. What a goal. That was a goal. That was a beautiful goal. How am I getting the bloody player of the match? Oh, no. Went too high with that one, didn't I? Sorry, everyone. I'm not going to go for that high hit. I'm going to go for saving the ball if I can. Come on, guys. Could not feed that a bag. Yes! Thanks for that one. Okay. Why was I up against a load of golds? I think the game was like, sure you're supposed to be platinum? Like, yeah, I am. Shut up. Shut up, game. You know no different. You know nothing in this world. What to wear? Should I go to forest green? Yeah, I'd go for the forest green devil ones to complete the outfit. That's sexy outfit. Ah, yeah. I don't know these people, so I'm just gonna say yes. Assume that I know them. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, they say Epic Games then. Interesting. Come on, game. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, man. Oh. Two. Is it two? No, it's 1-on-1. Okay. I'm not gonna get this. That's what happened. I lied. Well, that's the way opening. Ah, no. Oh. Ah, no, 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 no. Boop. Ah, no. Come on. Try to slow it down in front of the ball, the goal man. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Hey, that was a pass. What was that? Why did you take the ball off me? Why did you take the ball off me? Damn it, Nix. Why? No! Ah, darn it. Why do people keep clipping my car? I was hoping they were both there, because that would have gone bounced behind them then. That would have been amazing. That's what. Unlucky. Hello. I'm everywhere. Oh, you son of a bitch. Okay. That's nothing I could do. What a terrible time to run out of boost completely, eh? No! I was trying to use the boost and then they do an attack like that. I got it, I got it. No, okay, I don't then. Alright, fine. I don't have it. Okay, thank you, DD. Really appreciate it. Appreciate the views. Thank you for lurking. Again, once again, I appreciate that. Nice. Oh no! Oh shoot! Man, I should have hit that. Oh, I hit my bum. No, 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 no. Don't pass it across the front of our mouth. Jesus Christ! Don't take. Oh, you son of a bitch! Took that boost. Couldn't get to it in time. I'll take that. Oh, I passed it straight to them. No, 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 no. I do nicely. Oh! That was fun. Hard, but fun. I got Division up that time. Back to Division 2 where I started when I actually started playing this game. That's mad, isn't it? It wasn't even like my fault or anything. It's just the way it goes. Ah, chilling with my friends. Playing Rocket League, getting stressed because people are shit. You know my song? It's great, isn't it? Would you believe I just came up with that? Oh yeah, definitely. We can play a couple more. Absolutely, Crystal. You're more than welcome. What am I doing? Oop. There we go. Who am I? Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Yes. Of course you can. You know, I didn't see the I didn't see the points redemption. Oh damn, what am I on blue? Okay. Scoring yellow. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh, that's going bad already. Oh, no point. No point. 0 points for that. Both in. Oh. I'm not getting involved. Let's just leave them to it for now. Oh, nice. Nice shot. We'll do the raid after this then. Make this the last one and we'll do a raid. Might as well. End at midnight. Or midnight-ish. Let's just... Oh! Oh no. I left a goal. Shit. I literally came out of the goal. I was like, oh no. As soon as that got hit, I was just like, oh shit. Oh, nice. That's not hit actually. Not bad hit at all. Come on. Alright, or not. I'll take that then. Come on, guys. Every time I centre that sodding ball. Oh no! I thought I had it. I actually thought I had that. Nice. Welcome back, Tiny. Welcome back. Was it a good BRB? Was it good? Did you enjoy it? Did you have a fun time? I love it. I really do. Oh, I'll do that one. Yay! Legit goal! Never do what they expect me to do. I think it screws up with them as well. Like he's going to do that thing, and I'm like, nope. I'm really not. That's right, you have to have sound effects, otherwise the game just doesn't work. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's like, there's already sound effects in the game. It's like, nope. Yeah, Tiny, yeah, of course you can. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to have Crystal on as well if you want to join in with both of us. We can do threes. That'd be amazing. For those who don't know, guess what my username on Twitter, on Steam is, or ultimately, if you've got it on Epic Games, guess what it is. Could never guess my username. It's like a veil of uncertainty there. What am I doing? I'm not thinking straight. Oh. 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 Oh, sorry, you did say. All right, Tiny, just me and you. Search me up on Steam or whatever your preferred platform is. I'll do a couple and then we'll do a raid. K Plays has redeemed the raid suggestion, so we're going to do that. In future, by the way, Kay, if you redeem it, just put the name of the channel after the redemption, and I'll just use that. Guess what? You suck. That's right. Oh no! Oh, that would have been amazing. Do you know who really sucks? I do. I suck. Because that was a beautiful opportunity to mock people. And yeah, screwed it. Ah, Tiny, no! No! I was so looking forward to it. Okay, no worries. That's cool. I appreciate that. People need to eat. That's totally fair. But next time, eh? Next time, eh? Next time. Yeah. Next Tuesday, we'll do this again. We'll do the game dev, 2 hours, then we'd finish the stream off some Rocket League, and then people can join in if they want. Totally legit reasoning. Oops. I don't play that often, unfortunately, Tiny. I've only got a limited availability on my playing of games, which I've self-limited. This is my choice. I did this. I did this to myself. It's one of those things. As a full-time dad, you know, you have moments where you're like, I need to make sure I look after everyone. I need to look after, give my daughter time, give my wife time, you know. These are very important elements of my life. And so I stream Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Sunday I'm going to do like a social stream. Alright, good night, Tiny. Pleasure. Yeah, Sunday is going to be like a social stream. And I'm going to do some marbles because Emma caused me to want to do it. P-Jab! Look who it is! You gorgeous person, you. Yep, doing that Sunday. I decided. Might as well. Who cares? It's just a bit of fun. But of course, I need to do some. What makes me laugh, Emma, is you truly think I'm a threat, which means that I must look handsome as fuck. Right, Kay. You know what that time is now, don't you? You know what time it is, Kay. You know what time it is, Kay, don't you? Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do some wrapping up. Let's do some chatting. Finalize the moments of truth. Chillax, and then go and raid. So, how is everyone? Did they enjoy the stream? Nice. Yeah, we'll go raid. We definitely will. Absolutely. I'm happy to do that. Put some music on the background. Actually, this is like a chill mode. Oh man, that's cool. That's so cool. Yeah, we'll go raid. Definitely happy to do that. All for the love. Spread the love. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll kick off the raid in MO. Is there an animal on the desk or lunchbox? Oh, this thing. This is my locusts. These are locusts. Say hi, locusts. Oh, yeah, don't probably cannot see them, but they're in there. And my locusts, I look after and feed and look after them. to feed my frog, Kitsu. It is technically both, yes. It is, in fact, a lunchbox and animals. Yes. For a second, I thought you were talking about my Bulbasaur that's like hiding back there. I was like, what are we talking about? But now I understand. Now get it. Yes, it was locusts. Yes, absolutely. And then down here, I have his spring water that goes in his Viv. And then I have crap everywhere. I often think to myself, like, should I tidy up my room? Like, should I make this presentable for like streaming purposes? Do you think this needs to be all tidied up? I mean, I'm gonna say the word shit ton of Pikachus over there. You can see one of them just sort of peeking out just in there, which is like my I don't know what you call it. It's like it's some Kyotos. It's kind of like that cute kind of kimono Pikachu, I suppose. Tidy is overrated. I mean, to be fair, when you look in this room, you are getting legitimately the true me. No facade, no masks, no nothing like that. It's true me, 100% me. But I got like a comic book and game reference library over there, so I've got loads of like reference materials to different generations of games, specifically like old school ones, so like Atari, Mega Drive, NES, SNES, you name it, basically. They've got some board games just up in the way that you can't see. Yeah, this is my home. This is my workspace as well. This is where the magic happens for every single day. And so I was like, fine, cool, whatever. Yes, I noticed that you've got a board game in section in your Discord, Emma, and I'm like, I might be up for that kind of stuff because I genuinely think I love it. I've got Abandoned Planet, Black Hole Council, Deadly Premonition, Secret Hitler, and I got like other things like Cards Against Humanity, Bears versus Babies, Unstable Unicorns, and I got a lot of digital board games as well, like ones. And I saw that you were talking about Tabletop Simulator or something. I've got that, by the way. I actually own that game, and some other games as well. Physical board games, but digital. If that makes sense. Like Ticket to Ride and stuff like that. Because I just like to play games. I don't really care what it is. To be fair, if someone said to me in the suggestions box, would you play like, I don't know, Putt-Putt's Amazing Adventure, I probably would. I have literally no qualms playing any games. I don't know actually. I've not actually booted the tabletop sim. To be fair, if I had more viewership and like more people like generally chatting and stuff, I could do that on a Tuesday evening instead of like Rocket League, or I could do that on a Thursday or something. After I do the indie segment, we could just chill or do some board games instead for a while, or even Sunday, which I'm going to call Social Sundays. It's just like just chill with a game. We could do a board game there, or play marbles or something like that. Who knows? However, we are going to do some raiding, right? I know I've been chatting, but that's the whole point. Is that we're doing a bit of chill down moment, chill time. But yes, I think we should go raid now. So let's do it. I think I'm getting them. Yeah, to be fair, I genuinely like to take part, and I'm serious. I was really considering buying myself some skins to just give my marble a bit of an edge to make it look cool. But I haven't done it yet because I'm not rich. But you know, if I keep streaming and people start donating and sending bits and all those kind of cool things, eventually I'm gonna be able to do something. But we got a long way to go for that. I was talking to Die. I'm completely gone off topic, and I know we're gonna raid, but I'm just gonna find this is like final thought thing, right? Final thought of the evening. Yeah, I was talking to Die, right, and basically she was saying about how it took her like 2 months to get a following, and I was like, I'm almost at like 5 months now or something stupid like that, and I'm like, I don't give a shit. I just enjoy playing games and then having a few people pop in that I know and chat with them. I think that's fucking amazing, personally. And like my Discord is doing quite well. It's quite busy. Got a few Discords that I chat to in as well. Yeah, I completely agree with you, Kay. I 100% do. Which is why you probably can tell that I've just, again, if I was taking it seriously, I wouldn't have this as my backdrop, would I? Let's be fair. And I wouldn't have a unicorn t-shirt that tells everyone to pay attention to me. Because, you know, center of the universe here. That's why PJab loves me. Anyway. No, I'm not saying there's anything, I didn't say there was anything wrong with a t-shirt. I'm saying I wear it because people need to pay attention to me because I am a very loud and obnoxious person. No, would I wear it on a stream? I had a problem with it, Emma. Grr. Oh, I don't care. Right, yes. So, let's do the final farewells. So I tip my hat, blow a kiss. I don't know. How do you sign these things off? Or we just say, fuck you guys. Exactly. I'm completely oblivious. Last time I did this, it crashed for me. I didn't do the transition properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Twitch on another screen and type in his name. And I'm going to mute it in the background so I can see when the raid happens. I love you, Emma. You know that, right? When I say those words, I say it with passion and true meaning. Anyway, yes, let's go. Let's mosey on over there. Your love, it says too. Just use my. You're sub to me, right? Yeah, just use the raid. Use the raid. You can say no to raid if you want. It tells him that I'm raiding, so he knows it's me. So you don't have. I don't get it. The name of the person who's raiding appears when you raid, so you don't need that in the chat. It's just the raid thing itself is fine. Just the emoticon is fine. Anyway, if I get more subs, I can make more emoticons. So yeah, need more subs, but I'll get there. It's a long way away from me. Rightio, let's go and say hello. Send love. Yes. Yeah.